Meet TidyCal, your new scheduling superhero, saving time like a pro. TidyCal integrates calendars faster than a coffee-fueled coder on deadline. Customize meetings with ease, like a barista crafting your perfect latte. Forget monthly fees. TidyCal is as free as your grandma's hugs. TidyCal, the Calendly alternative that won't ghost your budget. Compare TidyCal, Calendly, and Cal.com. It's like a scheduling showdown. Ideal for marketing agencies, product managers, and sales wizards alike. Streamline appointments like a ninja slicing through red tape. Boost productivity with TidyCal's sleek, ergonomic design. No gym membership needed. To get this tool, visit the link given below and get a one-time payment lifetime deal. For a limited time, book smarter, not harder, with TidyCal's powerful scheduling magic. TidyCal, because even superheroes need a sidekick in scheduling.